What's up, savages? Today we have another Mora vlog, and today we have Maya and Milyna, and today we're going to be doing the PlayDoh challenge. So let's get right into that. So today we have our PlayDoh,
Purple, green, pink, and blue.
we have our tools that come with green and red PlayDoh. And like how you do a PlayDoh challenge is you have a hat full of ideas, and then we have PlayDoh and tools, and then we have to make the ideas. We have to shake it up, pull one out, and then whatever it says, we have to try to make it with the PlayDoh. First, we're gonna open up our stuff. Got my PlayDoh open. Not me.
I'm ready.
We're all ready.
No, I'm
Open
not.
your PlayDoh.
I'm sorry. We have to open it. Okay, I got it.
Got mine.
Got it. We're ready. So we're gonna start. Milyna's gonna pick something out of the hat. We all have to do it. Then Mora, then me. Okay, shake it all up. First thing, it's
Bunny.
bunny. Okay. I'm gonna use green.
I'm gonna use pink.
I'm using
What is
green
that?
and pink.
That's the timer. You have 5 minutes.
Oh no!
So,
I can't get my Play-Doh out.
oh no. Oh yeah, we only have 5 minutes.
No, we have 4 minutes. 4 minutes on the clock.
No, I still have more than 4 minutes. Okay. Okay, this is not coming
Play
out.
with it.
Let's take some. It's not gonna look good.
There's mine.
I'm rushing.
There's mine.
I'm rushing.
It's so glad. I'm glad I'm not keeping that Play-Doh. You're taking that home.
Gotta
She's
make your belly more
autistic.
round. It's gonna make your belly round, okay? Yeah, she's gonna.
That's weird. That's kind of weird though.
I'm the weird one.
Yeah. See, that's weird. She even did that in her party video. Well, she did weird stuff in her party video. She had tape on her. A bone.
Yeah, I don't know where that came from.
Oh no, we don't have to. No, no. What the heck, Daddy?
You're so tense.
I know.
I know.
Just relax.
Oh no. Okay, now I need the legs.
Oh no, no.
Wait, what are we making again?
A bunny.
Okay.
A bunny.
Bunny?
A bunny.
I forget how a bunny looks.
I'm almost done. And then I have to add the details.
Okay. I need my knife. That's a paper. Or something sharp.
I know. I'm not dumb.
Okay.
No.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done.
Done.
Why'd you pick that? You should have picked like a time and like a.
I'm still building. I don't care.
No! You lose that! Here!
Okay, that's it. Okay, you got to show.
This is my
My nose.
little bunny rabbit. This ear's supposed to be out. This one's supposed to be down. Mine. I'm embarrassed. Can I destroy now?
Embarrassed? I was panicking so much.
Okay, Mora.
This is my bunny.
You don't win. Why'd you use all the Play-Doh?
I didn't.
So you literally used the whole
Dun,
thing.
dun, dun.
They cannot
Move,
see
you
it.
can't see it.
Dun,
I can't pick it up.
You can move your hand.
Fail, fail, fail.
There. There's my bunny.
I'm gonna make it.
This is my bunny. Hello, cute.
Okay, pass
small
it to
bunny.
Mora.
Okay, guys, what do you
guys
think?
Okay, I'm taking this.
Mine with no details. Maya's that's the best. That's probably gonna win. Milyna's that's just a little that's just a little
That's really
baby
cute.
bunny.
Wait, who won?
We don't know. The savages have to pick.
No, your dad's the judge.
Yeah, Dad.
Who won? Who won?
Maya.
How do you
Okay.
know?
I know. This is mine.
Okay, Maya wins. She has the best attitude.
I knew it. I was just panicking. I was scared.
So you get 1
This
point.
is like a good luck.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pick the next thing out of the magic hat. I have the idea hat.
Magic Easter hat. Tomorrow's Easter, guys.
You said that.
Grab one. We have to make me. It says Maya. Show them. Show them. They need to know.
Okay, guys.
It says Maya.
I can hold it. Okay, guys, so our challenge is Maya.
We have to make me.
what we have to make is Maya. This is gonna be so hard.
And we're all in our PJs, I think.
Yeah.
I'm making a mini.
I'm only
Okay.
making a head.
Oh, you're already
I'm
starting.
only making a head.
Why? I'm making a mini, Maya. I'm making everything so big.
I know. Because I'm making everything so small.
But yeah, but you're making like
I want to make everything realistic.
one big thing.
Okay, stop pointing
your elbows,
I want to make everything realistic, like big, how everything usually is.
That's not how big my head is. Here. So you said you were trying to make things realistic. Doesn't look like you're trying.
Sorry, Miss Mother.
Maya's gonna win because we're doing Maya, so I'm like, no, drop my supply. So,
Unbelievable, Milyna. Unbelievable.
you're the one who's unbelievable here. It's only 5 minutes more. I'm keeping them all open like this.
This did not work.
Wait,
Less
I
than
think.
6.
Can we use the Play-Doh in here?
You can use whatever you want. You got the whole set. Everything there.
Can we do it this green?
Of course. Oh my gosh, this Play-Doh is so weird.
It's hard.
Yeah, seriously. It's actually really hard. And greasy. The Play-Doh in it is greasy.
Just don't use the Play-Doh right now.
Greasy.
We don't have any red. Less than 4 minutes, Mora.
We have 5 minutes.
No, less than 4. I'm all done. Wait. Let's just say.
You have to make 4 options. Oh, you did. I'm just making the face, guys.
Oh my gosh, this looks so creepy. Yes. You know what? I don't even care. I'm just gonna put this on her.
Almost done.
We need a detail on the shirt.
This is like nailed it.
My lip is falling off. Nailed it, except with Play-Doh.
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Time's up!
Your symbol. Okay,
Oh my God. I'll go first this time.
this is mine.
This
I
is
don't look very appealing.
this is my giant face of Maya. It looks creepy and weird at the same time. I call this queered. Weird and creepy at the same time. Queered.
Yeah,
This
queered,
is
everyone.
Weird. This is weird.
Queer's not even a real word.
I know.
Okay, this is my little mini person of
Maya.
9 balls.
So weird.
That's pretty good.
Hey guys,
Milyna.
comment down below who you guys think wins.
I'll say Milyna.
I
Milyna
lose.
gets the point.
Woo! I don't have any.
One-
Although
0.
Mora, you did very well.
Pass me half.
I do like yours a lot.
Okay guys, we are going to be doing 5 minutes again instead.
I hope I get unicorn.
Unicorn would probably be easy. We could just use any color for unicorn.
Unicorn!
What? Really? Oh yeah.
And you saw I wasn't looking. Oh, why did I put it back?
Maya.
Unicorn! What? This is the worst unicorn I've ever made.
Same here.
It's the only
Oh no! I don't even have the hair or horn.
Oh my
2 minutes.
gosh. Less than 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
I thought I could do way better than this.
Same.
Yeah, me too. No, I didn't. This is not how I pictured it.
Same. Look at my unicorn. It looks terrible.
Expectation versus reality. Mine is so pretty. You can't see my unicorn now. Okay, I am sort of done. Now I'm putting...
Maya, stop. You're just funny too.
Mine is not big and huge like that.
Time's
Hands
up.
up! Stop touching it. You're cheating.
Not cheating.
Yeah, that's cheating. You're still touching it. Touch. Cheating.
All right.
Here is... I'll go first.
Mine.
Mine. This is not how I expected it to turn out. There's nothing on the other side. Mine.
This is my unicorn. Here's my dumb unicorn.
That's pretty good. No more, you get the point.
It's a Pokemon card. Pokemon card, yes! One I've been waiting for. Right here.
Start the timer.
All I need is my hands and that. Oh, and
5 minutes.
this is actually turning out how I expected.
This is not turning out how I expected.
Okay. That's my card.
That's my card.
I think it looks pretty nice. And it fixed too.
I need one.
I'm making a small.
I'm just gonna borrow this. No, you
No,
can't.
you can't. You have to use your own.
I'm gonna make the Pokemon Pikachu.
Okay. I'm just gonna be the main character. Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Let's get out of
Comment down below if that kind of sounds like Pikachu. Like just.
Pikachu. I'm not too good at this one.
You still have time?
At 32 seconds.
Good one.
Should I do it? Oh yeah, I really want to do the Easter egg. Yeah, I put Easter egg in there. And dinosaur. Golden green dinosaur with the pink belly. With the pink belly. Pink belly. Pink belly. Pink belly.
I'm making a colorful Pikachu.
10 seconds.
What?
5, 3, 2, 1.
Done.
So this did not turn out good. Just that lion look. It's cute. Look at mine.
Mine looks weird.
Mine looks realistic.
Mine does
Except
look
with
good.
any color.
This is my colorful Pikachu. Doesn't that look so good?
Mine just original thing with no color, but a blue card, and then I got the Pokeball.
I tried to do my best, but since we don't have yellow and we can't invent yellow with the colors,
You didn't have to do Pikachu.
well, I kind of wanted to.
This is mine. That's what I had in mind.
Oh, Milyna, yours looks good.
Let me see.
It looks bad.
Did you have the tail?
No. Neither did I.
Okay, Bill.
Okay, Milyna wins.
Stop complaining. It's a challenge.
Okay, guys, comment down below who you guys think wins that round.
More, your turn to choose what you get.
But I pick.
What we all have to make.
Yeah.
It might be Easter egg. Burger? Easter egg. A burger!
Okay, guys, we have to make a burger.
Is
Okay,
it burger?
put it
right here.
Yeah.
Put it right here, guys. Burger? Okay.
Starting now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Starting
you're my best
now.
friend.
I'm making all the
And
ingredients
we're
right now.
best friend. Yeah, I'm gonna make my
Can you
patty.
please? Okay, everyone.
What? I heard Pokemon cards and I just started thinking about Pokemon. I'm gonna make the lettuce.
Oh man, the lettuce. I'm making the bottom patty.
Ooh, I'm gonna make some pickles too.
One pickles.
Cause I like pickles.
I'm making a burger that I could eat. I'm just gonna run for my pat. My pat. Got it. No worries. No worries. No worries. It smells good.
But it looks terrible.
That's so mean.
I was kidding.
Please leave.
It actually looks pretty good, Milyna. I actually really like it.
Just want to eat it.
But don't put potatoes.
Stop laughing.
I'm not laughing.
He is.
No, I don't.
Done.
Okay, almost done. This is my relish stand. Does that
10
look like the
seconds.
relish?
10 seconds.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Done.
3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Mora, you can't add anything. Can I go first?
I want to go first.
Bunched salad. I mean, lettuce. Patty, cheese, bottom bun.
Bread, the patties. Wait, the bread. I've got some relish. I've got a tomato. I've got pickles. I've got a patty. I've got lettuce, and then I've got my bottom.
Alright, I got the bread, I got the salad, I got the patty, and I got the other piece of bun.
Milyna's got one bite burger.
Sorry, I'll bite it. I'll bite Play-Doh. She does.
They're like mini burgers.
Okay, so who wins? Who do you guys think wins?
I just bit Play-Doh.
I think Mora's got the best looking one. Hers looks like a burger. Milyna's, yours looks like a burger too, but yours is tiny.
It's a baby one, okay? It's for a baby. It's for a baby. My turn.
If you want to feed a burger to a baby,
Yeah, I'll feed it to Elijah.
What's
My
Play-Doh?
turn.
Daddy.
Poop emoji. Mora, you were the one who thought of it.
I know.
Sorry. Ready? It's gonna be
Alright.
hard.
5 minutes. Should be easy.
What is it?
The poo emoji.
Oh yeah. This is gonna be easy. I was gonna make a colored poop emoji. I don't think it'll look good.
I'm
I'm
making
making
the
the
closest.
I'm
I'm doing a purple one.
Yeah, me
It's
too.
closest to brown.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
For me?
That doesn't look like a poop emoji to me.
I don't care. My poop emoji. I got my poop emoji done. I gotta add a nose.
I gotta add a mouth.
Gotta add a nose.
I don't think there is a nose.
10, 9, 8, 7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1, 0. I think mine looks creative.
Can I go first now?
I'm going second. Like I always do.
Just show it. It doesn't matter.
Here's my colored poop emoji.
Here's my purple poop emoji.
This is pretty good, Milyna. But you know what? I have to give it to Maya.
Yeah!
Maya's
At least I
got
have
a
to
nice,
go in
nice
two.
pile of poo.
It's
I have 2
Nice.
points though.
Nice face.
It's 2, 2,
No,
2,
you have
2.
1 point. I have 2 points.
No,
I have the
she has
burger.
1 point.
I have the burger and
Oh, yeah. So we all have 2 points now.
Yep.
Okay, is it my turn to choose? Yeah. Okay.
No, it's Maya's.
No, it's
Oh wait, yes, Maya's.
Let's just mix it. Easter egg.
Don't look.
Easter egg.
Woo!
I think. Yes, this is Easter egg. Okay,
Okay.
now I'm doing it all different colors.
Same here.
Wait, we gotta put the Easter egg right
Come
here.
on, timer.
Okay.
I'm
Easter egg,
ready.
Easter egg, Easter egg, Easter egg. I'm gonna do it.
5 minutes.
On the
Hurry
clock.
now.
Right now.
See,
I'm gonna
make it
start,
10, buddy.
No, it's easy to make an Easter egg.
Not
Okay, so then just make it a circle and then just turn it into O. Let's make
Stop
it circle. I'm gonna make it into like a circle, then turn it into like sort of an oval shape.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, oval shape time.
I'm gonna make it like how I made mine.
There we go. Mine sort of looks like a sweaty gym person who just came back from
That looks dumb.
sweaty alien who just came back from the gym.
Okay, I'm done. Mine looks terrible.
Ready?
5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. I think mine looks terrible.
Okay, Mora, you can go first this time.
Hey guys, so I have my crazy, weird, dumb Easter egg. That looks so good.
egg. Mine's actually in the real shape of an Easter egg. M for Maya is the best. Mine looks like a sweaty
Mine is
alien.
Comment down below whose looks the best.
Okay, Bill.
Well, since Easter eggs are all about being creative, no matter how good or bad they are, everyone wins this one. It is a tie.
3, 3, 3.
No, 4, 4.
No, 3. No, 3, 3, 3.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Amora!
Yay!
Gonna do her tiny little body. Okay, I'm gonna.
But you only have 5 minutes to do it, not 10 minutes
10.
like Maya.
No,
No fair.
it is fair.
Start the timer in 3, 2, 1,
I
go!
already started.
I should get the point for this one.
No, should.
I should because it's me. Not you. I
like to do heart-shaped.
Well, I do have a chocolate.
Oh my god, we have like no time.
Where's
right
my
now.
pink? Where's my pink?
Didn't even
Literally,
realize.
you used it all. Forgot.
Barely have any time. I didn't even know that.
5, 4, 3,
No.
2,
No.
1.
Oh.
All right, drop it.
I go first.
Obey you. Just put it up. It doesn't matter.
Here's my giant crazy face.
Why do you always have to do only the face? Or just rip your head?
Because I want to.
But why? Why do you want?
Because I can.
Oh, Milyna, yours looks like baby Mora in a onesie.
Yeah, I did her onesie.
Oh, in her pajamas. Oh, that's pretty good.
I'm Portugal.
She doesn't have the emojis.
Mora, yours is pretty good as well. Close up.
It's because we never have the right color.
There's Maya's.
Huh?
Maya's is
Can I see
show them
yours,
again.
Maya? Maya,
just
can I
read
see
it.
yours?
It's on
Oh,
your body now.
Maya's was
Maya loses.
hers was a little gingerbread man.
Okay, Dale.
Okay.
Mine loses.
Well, if you say that, then yes, you did. So
Ah!
Milyna wins.
My turn.
Dad, watch.
Pass it on down. I have a bad feeling about this one. Salad.
No!
Yes.
Actually, yay.
Easy.
Okay.
All right, 5 minutes starting now.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Blue. Come on up. I'm gonna use you.
Seriously, Mr. Blue, come out.
Why blue?
Because
I'm,
blue's
I'm
the
doing,
best.
I'm doing a blue plate.
Blue's the best.
Why don't you use this? I'm making
You
one.
don't want to.
So what kind of salad are you gonna do?
Caesar salad. I'm gonna do.
That was lightning before the thunder.
I'm gonna do chicken
Thunder! I'm seriously going to faint because of how much time we have. I'm
5, 4,
I don't care. I'm done.
3,
3, 2,
2, 1.
1. No, more. Nice, Mora.
Thanks.
What is it?
Salad.
What kind? I got
Don't even talk to me.
chicken salad, but my chicken is gonna be pink.
Oh,
I got mine. I can't
it's
really
uncooked chicken. Ew, yuck. What do you have, Mora?
Do a whipping.
I got this. Can't really look at this. I got my salad in a pink and blue plate with cooked chicken and
Mine-
bit of salad.
My chicken is cooked.
It's not cooked.
Yes, it is.
I got Caesar salad and I
Sloppy.
used blue for the crispiness. Crispiness.
Crispy things.
And yeah, I got chicken.
And I use Caesar salad.
I made chicken salad with chicken.
I made chicken salad.
I'm just gonna add some.
So, Bill. Who wins,
Well,
Bill?
savages, you can decide. But let's see.
Excuse me, sorry.
Mora's does looks pretty good,
So what does that mean?
and mine's is gone. She
She
did
destroyed it. She demolished it.
Okay, Mora wins this one.
Yay!
Stop it. 4, 4, 3.
My turn to pick.
No, it's Milyna's.
It's basketball.
Easy. What?
Basketball?
Yeah, I put basketball in there. Yeah, and Milyna was the one who came up with the idea.
No. Actually, Taze walked in, and then I was like,
No, it was Milyna.
I came up with the
Okay.
idea. I just put it in there.
Timer starts now.
Oh
I'm gonna use pink.
I'm using pink for my ball.
Closest to orange.
I'm using blue. And I'm using pink, and then I'm using blue
Purple.
for my lines.
I'm using purple for my lines. This is gonna be so easy. We don't really need much time.
We can just have 3.
Yeah, seriously, this is actually really easy.
No, we can just have 1.
Yeah, seriously.
The last challenge is going to be 1 minute to win it.
Yeah.
I came up with that. Well, we do it on our assemblies every time. Yep. got monthly assemblies. Mine doesn't look too good because the lines aren't very flat.
No, I love mine. You might have time to smoothing them out. You're taking mine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Milyna!
I didn't know.
Dun dun da da!
Ready?
I'm ready.
I'm trying to smooth all the lines right now. Yeah, I'm just doing this. Oh man, can we just stop the timer?
Yeah, seriously.
You gonna stop the timer? There's 1 minute left. You gonna stop the timer?
No,
Yes.
fun. It's fun to hear the ending.
It's not cool. 5,
4,
3, 2, 1.
Ding, 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 ding. Here's my giant pink and purple basketball.
Pink and blue basketball. Green and blue basketball.
I don't know. They're all pretty bad.
So mean.
All right. Myers wins.
Woo! Now it's all a tie?
What?
4, 4,
It's
4?
Yes.
Is this going to be the last round?
Oh, I guess it's,
4, 4, 4.
I guess it's the last round. So
1 minute to win it, you guys.
Oh no!
Bill, you get to pick it. What is our next challenge? Please be something small. You can usually pick one.
challenge is.
Let me see. I read them. No, did I write binder? Oh, candle. A candle.
Candle.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay.
1 minute. Starting now.
Hey everyone, let's do this. I should be able to do this. I should. I don't know why I picked candle.
Seriously, Brian, why'd you pick candle?
1 minute to win it, 'cause I'm always gonna win it. And I said
You're
candle.
never gonna win it.
Oh really?
Really?
What do we get? What do we win?
A slap in the face by my dad.
Yeah. Like. Okay,
Weren't
I'm
you
just not gonna do
listening?
that.
You win the bin full of all this stuff.
Really?
That's
No, you don't.
Really?
No.
More, you don't
What?
get to decide.
Fine. My Play-Doh.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's
on your
not.
Play-Doh.
It is.
No, it's not. Did you buy it?
No, but my dad did.
So
Yeah.
my uncle did.
Wait, my dad worked closer.
Okay, let's not argue about this. Oh, time's out.
Okay, here's mine. This was mine.
All right.
Mine.
Oh, look at. Oh, Mora's yours is nice.
Oh no, she's gonna.
Milyna's looks like a monster claw.
Sorry, I quickly use this
What is that? Turn that?
knife. It's the knife.
A knife.
It's all 4-4. Mine, I can basically just put this back up because it was already like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down to try to make it stick.
All right. Savages, what do you think? Who do you think?
It's more.
do you
It's
think?
more. It's not gonna be me.
It's not gonna be me.
It's not gonna be me. It's gonna be a Mora.
It's not gonna be me.
Well, my already crushed yours.
He's seen it. It's just wrapped around the thing.
Milyna's yours is pretty. Yours is pretty good. But Mora's the whole presentation with the candle holder was brilliant. So Mora wins that.
I even have the wig. A green wig. I get a Play-Doh!
No, you don't.
I do.
No, you get a smack from your dad.
Anyways,
Ow!
everybody gets to keep their own Play-Doh kit.
Dang, Daddy. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Who hit it? Comment down below who you think won the round.
You didn't
And
win the
comment-
round cleaning.
Comment down below who won 1 minute to win it. And like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Hit the bell and subscribe.
Mine was more
bye,
creative
guys.
because I just did it.
Bye,
right
guys.
away.
Love
I
you.
heard it started to go off. Say goodbye.